Okay. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on one of the most unforgettable rides of my life, which was from Darcha to Shinku La Pass, which is standing at 16,500 plus. Uh, my journey started from Dubai. I took a flight, landed in Leh. I stayed there for a couple of days to acclimatize, and I started riding from Leh towards Shinku La Pass. After reaching Darcha, there was heavy snowfall. Roads were closed. Finally, on the third day, road was opened and adventure continued. There was easily 3 to 4 inches of slush covering the road. Honestly, it didn't feel like riding anymore. It felt like I was skating on the motorcycle. The entire ride, not a single soul around. Nobody overtook me, nobody came from the opposite direction. So it was just me, my bike, and one of the most beautiful landscapes I've ever experienced. It was magical. Shinku La Pass at last! Whenever I reach a very high altitude place, don't get excited. You know why? The oxygen level is so low. There are high chances you'll start feeling breathless. There's absolutely no one. And that's the beauty of it. Did it! Reached Shinku La Pass solo, and there's absolutely no one here. Damn. I can hear a flight. Awesome. Loving it. You know what? When you want to do it, you have to do it. That's it. We are so strong from inside and body. We do not know how strong we are. It's just a matter of taking that first step. Everything else will fall in its place. Take the first step. I would like to close this video with a statement which actually hit me hard a few years back when I heard it. The world is only getting smaller and we are getting only older. So travel as much as possible, as early as possible. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Adios.